Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, Johanna Manchu, and if you are existing, thank you guys so much for tuning in. So guys, today's vlog is about hygiene shopping. So we're just gonna quickly go to Clicks and get some few things that ran out and come back and unbox. So yeah, let's go, and happy Heritage Day. Bye. Okay guys, let's go. Hi kids, okay. Okay. But hi guys.
Good morning.
Is it good morning? Morning mo fitile khale. Kana nna kona ke tsoa setse ba re good morning.
No, I mean, hi guys. Welcome back to my mom's channel.
Yeah.
Oh, let me say it a little bit louder. Welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we are going to go to Clicks to buy bath things and we're also going to buy milk
Yes.
from Pick and Pay.
Yes. Okay guys, bye.
Bye guys.
I don't need to be healed, and I don't want to move on, you know. This heart of mine is occupied, and I am saving a seat for you. Not if but when you come around, I'm used to getting my way around. Memory on a screen, I am waking up from a dream. Baby, come back to me. Why are we a mystery? Begging you, begging me. I don't wanna be just a memory on a screen, yeah. I don't need to be here, and I don't want to move on, you know. It just wanna do it without you here. So now I'm saving a seat for you. I see our future in our mind. Oh baby, I know you would be surprised. Memory on the screen, I am waking up from a dream. Baby, come back to me. Why we still a mystery? Begging you, begging me. I don't wanna be just a memory on the screen. I am waking up from a dream.
Free cupboard collision and then shake and not sure. I think I need to sleep on it. Oh, give one a slender shake high for meal replacement plus our closure. I think this will work well. Do I have money for these? Do I now have money?
Oh, never mind. What is your guys' culture?
Mine, I'm vendor.
I know. I'm asking your friends.
Oh, can't just asking which culture are you guys? We're not owing it.
I'm a
You're wearing Zulu, but you are
but I am a student.
okay. And another one is yes.
You guys must comment where you guys are.
Guys, you must comment where you are and the culture that you guys possess
And what do you guys speak at home?
and which language you speak at home. Kanto is such a content creator.
Also, sometimes a camera girl.
Yeah, sometimes she's a camera girl.
But you make it so hard. Watching you dance all night, baby. It's making me fall hard.
Guys, I am back. Let's quickly unbox. So I'm gonna unbox the click stuff. This one, Pick and Pay. I'll unbox you now. So at least guys, nkile lava mo session ya mama khopela ke tusiwe mama khopela yo rotlhe yo okay, so let's start with this sobe salon comparing stuff. Comparing somewhere. I just don't believe that I have never done it, but I'll try. So I bought this is your lip care, right? It comes with a lip balm and it comes with a lip scrub. Plus now my lips are forever dry, and it comes with a sponge. That's what I'm thinking this is, right? And it's 30 bucks if you're not going to clicks right now, because this sobe stuff they are on special. Okay, yeah, it's plop it up. It's a sponge. So we're gonna try this. We're gonna hydrate and do the masking thing, and then they have the clay mask collection, and this is 15 rand. I've never used this, but I hear good news about it. I'm gonna try it just to pamper myself, but my skin's like a sensitive, guys. Hopefully I am not going to react to any of this. So it has a watermelon clay mask, it has a pineapple clay mask, it has a strawberry, and it had a head bend, and it's 15 rand. So that's 35 rand, and then they are like so expensive. I don't know if this, I don't know, not this one. I think this ones are on special, and some bath stuff, right? So I'm gonna use some body wash. I'm gonna try this one. Ke khutise Dove. Ankere la tseba some sobe stuff you get two 3 for 2. So it's a body wash and a scrub. I'm trying this tangerine, a shea butter and vitamin C scrub. I've never tried this one. I usually use the pomegranate one, and hand and nail cream. Uh-huh. Okay, it smells nice. Oh, it's so thick. Yes, it's very thick. Yeah, I'm more retest there. And while Remosobe stuff, some bath bombs, the 24 rand. These ones are not on special. I think that's the price. Well, guys, I don't know, but I think they're on special. All of them, all of the sobe stuff, it's on special. It's on special. Because the other lady came running looking for the 15 rand one, and it has another one that has like your brush that you can apply this thing with. So I decided to take this one with the headband. I'm not sure if you can see. And then we came to some body bath foams. So heavenly, it's my favorite. So two, it's 139, and one is 89 rand. Do the math. I don't want to need this. but do the math. And some Epsom salt. You know, I am forever recovering my muscles with this. It's one of the one at least this is what I buy. And then at this game there's another one that I love so much. So it's just that this game is a bit of a drive. I am lazy. And some sanitary pads. Butsufe, we still going though, which is the nice thing to be going, not the experience. Some bath soap and Fokone. And another thing that I love from So Heavenly is this oil. This oil is so nice on the body. So I will apply it with mix with my Nivea body butter. And I got some energy shots. I'm gonna try this because energy levels are so low. And some glasses wipes, the wipes, lens wipes, right? So all of these guys from Clicks at 716 rand 37. So I also wanted to buy that Flora guard thingy. I heard it's very nice. So guys, I'm trying to take care of the guard, but I know myself I need to first start with the food. I know someone will be like, yeah, taking care of the gut, you must first start with the food, stop eating carbs, stop eating this, stop. Guys, I'm not in the mood, but something for time being that's gonna help, which is like your tablets.